Hey miners, mining king here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to dual mine a lithium. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you for all the viewers and subscribers supporting the channel. We just hit 250 subscribers. Just want to say thank you. As well as check out our Discord. It's growing every day. Link down below. So let's get right back to the video. Alright guys, so we're over here at my farm right now. So today, like I said, we're going to be looking at how to dual mine a lithium. So as you can see right here, I got a couple rigs dual mining right now. I moved away from Ton because with all the YouTube's video coming out right now with Ton, there's been a huge increase in the difficulty right now. Now, I will say this though, you are going to lose a little bit of mega hash with mining a lithium because it uses a little bit of memory. I want to keep the voltages down because I don't want the temperatures to get out of control. So because we're dual mining, so we're using the full GPU's power. So as you can see, some of the temperatures have been kind of climbing up there. We're up to about 58C on the hottest one. So just keep that in mind. So whenever you guys are dual mining, so a few things about dual mining. So you need to watch temperature as well as you need to be ready for the increased amount of voltage. So make sure your power supply can handle the particular additional load on it, because these cards I usually have them tuned at about 75 to 80 watts, coming just mining Ethereum. So as you see here, they all got bumped up. They're all about, this one's at 84, this one's almost at 100. So this is probably my weakest card here because it's using more power. Probably not very good silicon lottery. Same with this one right here, 95. So we'll just say I bumped it up between an average, we'll say, of about 15 to 20 watts a card, and this is a 12 card rig. So at even 20 watts, that's 240 more watts that we've potentially increased on the load of the power supply. So make sure you're doing your math on your PSU if it can handle it. This particular PSU on this particular rig is a 2,000 watt server power supply, and this is just in the software. So this number will be higher from the wall. This is probably more like 1,300 from the wall. So so keep that in mind, guys. When you guys are dual mining, you're going to be using more power, which is going to mean more heat. So make sure you watch your temperatures, adjust your fans accordingly. I just keep my fans at 100. So let's get into making a flight sheet for a lithium. So the first thing we're going to do is you need to make your flight sheet just like you would for ETH. So you come over here, do ETH. I would do my MetaMask wallet, and then I'm going to pick my pool as Hivon, and then I'm going to select my miner. Now I prefer to use T-Rex miner for mining the lithium. So you select T-Rex miner, and then you're going to go. Then it's going to come down here and say dual coin. You're going to pick a lithium. You're going to, now if you haven't already watched my first video on how to watch a lithium, which will be up in the upper corner over here, I'll leave a card over here. You guys check that out because I also demonstrate how to mine and make a wallet for a lithium. So make sure to check out that video. So we're gonna pick our wallet, and then you have a couple different pools here, but you're gonna want to choose hero miners. These other two pools have hardly any hash power compared to these guys. These guys got like 68% of the network hash rate. So I'm generating about, on my current 4 gigahashes on a lithium, I'm getting about 9 to 10 a lithium a day, which I was barely getting one on Wooly Pulley. So I'm going to choose hero miners. Going to go US West because that's where I'm located. As you can see too, they have many different pools, so whatever is best for you guys. And then intensity, I leave as blank. So we're going to go over here to the setup the miner config, and then it'll pull it up to this screen here. And then, oh, so it's already picked the Blake 3 algorithm. So Before, you used to have to come in here and manually set this. So, and so then you just click apply changes, and then you press create flight sheet, and then you would end up with this. So we're gonna come over here. We're at what to mine right now, and we're on Alephium. So we're gonna do 4.0 gigahash, and I mean, we'll say it's like 240 more watts for that, and then we're gonna hit calculate. Now look, this says I should only be making about 7.5 Alephium a day, right? Which is about $2.43. It would cost me 60 cents, and I'd make $1.85. But we'll go over to my Alephium wallet, and actually, we're making more than that. All right, guys, so we're over here at Hero Miners pool, and this is the pool I told you to use. It looks like it's dipped down a little bit. I was getting about 9 Alephium. Now I'm getting about 8 over the last 24 hours. I've gotten 25 Alephium so far this week, so I've only been mining, I think, for 3 days now. So this is about how much I'm going to earn a day. This is how much I'm going to earn in a week. And this is how much I'm going to earn in a month. So this number here, obviously more people are starting to mine Alephium. So obviously when more people mine it, the profitability will drop. So this may or may not work for you. I also did have my test bench mining this, which was giving me about 700 mega hashes. I'm not mining with my test bench right now, so that's why it kind of dropped off a little bit. All right, guys, I kept this one pretty short because I wanted to get straight to the point, but just another few disclaimers for you guys in case I don't want you guys to miss this information, and that's going to be: one, make sure your PSU can handle the additional power it's going to be using. Don't be cutting it close. Don't break your 80% rule. Remember, always 80% on your power supplies. So if it's a 1200 watt power supply, you need to minus 20%. That's 240 watts, which means you only have 960 watts of actual usable power that could be used continuously. So make sure you guys keep that in mind, as well as watch your thermals on your cards, because now you're also using you're dual mining 2 coins at once. So it's going to produce, you get more power, which is also going to create more heat, which is then going to make your temps go up. So make sure you're watching your cards accordingly, because if your cards are already running hot just mining Ethereum, you may not want to dual mine. It may just put too much stress on your cards. So please watch your thermals. As well as thank you everybody again. We reached 250 subscribers. Thank you so much. And this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.